Okay, bonus question worth 1 point each. Simply, this is stuff that you've already had on many tests. You're rounding to the 10th. We know that the 10th is always this particular digit, so it would be 9.3. You're rounding to the hundreds. We know that the hundreds is this digit, so you're going to be 234.04. Okay, so you're going to see that this one, if you're rounding, this is the effector, so the 9 is higher, so you're going to round, so that becomes a 5. Sorry about that. So your answer would be 234.05. Okay, in this case, the 4 is not going to change it because your 3, obviously, your 4 is less than 5. This one says, how do you represent the digit 2 in the expanding notation? So that digit, how is that written? So the first thing you ask yourself is, what place value is that in? We know that the 6 is in the tenths. We know the 7 is in the hundredths. And we know that the third digit, which is the only digits we learned this year, was the thousands. So obviously we know that we need to get it to that third area of the place value. Your answer is D. Over here, they ask for what's greater and what's smaller. We know that 2 is smaller than the 8. Therefore, the L, remember the point always points to the smallest number. This one is 34.99, and this one is 3.499. We know that 34 is always a bigger number than 3. So then the point will point to the smallest. And we know that this one's 0, 1, this one's 0, 1. It doesn't matter how many zeros we add to the end. They are equal.